Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For Love of Running. Really exciting morning this morning because I seem to be saying this every week, but we are doing another new park run. So this morning we have ventured out 2.5 hours out of Adelaide. We've come up to Port Pirie because we are doing the Memorial Park Run, which is located in the Memorial Park in Port Pirie. So yeah, really beautiful morning for it as well. A tad fresh, but to be honest, it's been colder before. So this is actually going to be a really beautiful morning for it. And so in terms of the course, they're calling it a 3-lap figure 8. So as per usual, I'm going to put the map up here. You guys can have a bit of a look, but to be honest, confuses me a little bit. So we're going to do the park run and I'm going to show you guys what it's all about. So if you're not here this week, you can get a bit of an idea of what the course is like before coming up here. So anyway guys, time to crack on with the warm-up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if there's any content in particular you want to see, let me know. Do you want me to do a park run dressed as, I don't know, some sort of peanut, like a banana onesie or something like that? Whatever you guys want to see, let me know and we'll see what we can do. Anyway guys, time for that warm-up. See you guys all at the start line.
My name is Desmond Muzarewa and I'm your run director, and I'm happy to meet you today on the lands of the Kuna people, and I would like to pay my respects to elders past, present and emerging. Beyond expectation. Everyone ready? Yes! Alright, cool. So let's make our way.
Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away.
Just follow the camera! Just follow the camera!
A violet sky on my skin.
Still got time.
Never say that I can't relate. I still wanna come over, 'cause I know that it's not too late.
Alright guys, that is it. That is Memorial Park Run completed, and I tell you what, we got the absolutely perfect morning for it. Everyone here was absolutely amazing. Thank you to everyone who's watched these videos. Thank you so much for the support. A lot of friendly faces here. It's absolutely amazing. If you're here at the launch, hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't done it, hope you're planning to get up here and give it a good crack soon, because yeah, it's definitely worthwhile. So anyway guys, time to get the drone up, get some footage, get some coffee, and then venture back home to edit this video for you guys. Once again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next one.